In this video, I'll show you how to turn that full night of panic into a 10-minute AI workflow. We will use a free tool, Google NotebookLM. You will upload the report, pull out the key numbers, build a slide deck, and create a custom audio briefing. Let's get your evening back.
Step 1. Stop reading the whole report. Open Google NotebookLM. Think of this as a private data room for your document. Now upload the report as a source. This is important. NotebookLM is grounded in the file you provide. That means the answer comes from the report, not random internet guesses.
Once the report is loaded, we ask for only the numbers that matter. Use a prompt that starts with, "Act as a data visualization architect." Then ask it to extract the top 5 disruptive numbers from the report. Metric on one side, business impact on the other. No filler, no long summary. Just the board level signal.
Now watch this. NotebookLM gives us a clean table with the key metrics: net revenue retention, margin compression, fraud losses, cash collection risk, and sales efficiency. But the real power is not just the table, it is the citation. When someone asks, "Where did this number come from?" you click the source, and NotebookLM takes you back to the exact place in the report. Now you are not guessing, you are proving.
Step 2, turn the numbers into a presentation. Raw data does not win meetings. A clear story does. So now we go to the slide deck option inside NotebookLM Studio. Use a prompt that starts with, "Act as an executive presentation designer." Ask it to turn the extracted metrics into a 7-slide executive deck. Each slide should have a strong headline, 3 simple points, and speaker notes. This is where the workflow changes. You are not copy-pasting random text into slides. You are asking the AI to organize the meeting for you.
Now the deck opens. Slide 1 gives the board the main risk. The next slides explain the proof: margin pressure, customer retention, fraud exposure, cash timing. And the final slide gives a clear action plan. That is a real meeting story.
Step 3. Build confidence before you enter the room. The deck is ready, but you still need to understand the report well enough to answer questions. So we create an audio briefing. But do not just click generate. Customize it first. Tell NotebookLM what to focus on.
Just to artificially pump up the top line for the board.
I wouldn't call it artificial. I mean, it's real volume from real enterprise clients.
But at what cost?
Upload the document, ground the AI and the source, gather the key metrics, verify the citations, generate the slide deck, then generate the podcast briefing. That is how you replace panic with preparation. You are not a typist. You are the person who makes the decision clear. If this workflow saves you time, subscribe to Smart Scale Systems. Let's get your time back.